Hello all. Today we are going to explore about the Cockpit web-based graphical interface for servers and the Cockpit project. You can see this is the Cockpit project URL. So what is Cockpit? Cockpit is a web-based graphical interface for servers. It's a web-based graphical interface, and you can also say a web user interface console. So Cockpit is an interactive Linux server admin interface, and with this web page Cockpit project, you can get more details about this project and the Cockpit interface, how to install, what is the default port number for the Cockpit. It is 9090, and these are the installation instruction, how to install the Cockpit in Red Hat Enterprise Linux or other flavors of Linux like CentOS, Ubuntu. So let's explore practically the Cockpit interface. So these are the steps. The repository where this RPM is available. This is the RPM name Cockpit, and this is the service name cockpit.socket. You have to enable. If the firewall is running, then you have to uh, provide a permission from the firewall side also, and these are the steps you have to follow. So let's explore practically this. This is my lab environment, and currently rel 8 is running in this. And let's check the RPM first. RPM QA Cockpit, and you can see the Cockpit RPM is there. So let's enable the service. So system CTL enable now Cockpit dot is the service name, and let's check the status. You can see it is running now. It is active and listening on port 9090, which is the default port as per the Cockpit project documentation. And so this is the IP address of server, and I am accessing through port 9090. And let's see whether we are getting the, yeah. So you can see this is the Cockpit interface, interactive Linux server admin interface, or web-based interface, graphical interface. And let me access. You can see, like, all in the left panel, this much options we have. We have the terminal, like the console of the server, and other information related with the system. And here you can see the options are there. It is like a ILO, you can see, and logs are there. Storage option is there. Networking information related with the networking, IP address, and all these things. Accounts, what are the accounts configured in this server, what are the services running. on the server, sockets and applications, diagnostic reports, kernel dump. Right now it is off, stopped, and SE Linux it is enabled here. Software updates, package kit is not installed. So here you can see subscription. Currently it's not registered, and terminal. We have the terminal also here. So I mean, this is the cockpit web-based graphical interface for servers, and you can you can use this for the server admin perspective, and all these options are there, so you can take the benefit and get more information about the cockpit project through the you know the project URL and the documentation. So yes, we have explored this, and we will explore more on this project, and this would be very helpful for the server administration. So that's it. Thank you very much.